Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? I'm Josie. I'm a storyteller. More stories ukuhlukumezayo singakuphathi kahle emoyeni that you cannot share with your colleagues, friends or family members. You can inbox me TikTok mina ngibhalela story mina ngifikela ngikukhulumela story sakho abantu bopha ama advice kubo bonke ama subscribers wami. Ngiyabonga, thank you for the support. Ngicela nibuye learn, even if you don't learn ke at least you can advise the next person ungathi uyokusharela a similar issue anayo. And then again abaqalayo ukusubscribe or babathuma ngibohela ngicela ukuthi subscribe and like please, ngiyacela support lo msebenzi and singacabani ne asibukele nama ads, singacabani sicela ukuthi sibukele nama ads, ngiyangicela. Okay, sisiyangibhalela ukuthi awushuzi mina umama ngishirele indaba. Okay, last year first week ka December we had to bury umama because of washona. So maga zoshona ngathatha leave because bengibona ukuthi kancane lo muntu lo uyashiya emhlabeni. Then ngathi sathi ukuthi amangathathi leave emsebenzini ngizohlala naye because mina no mama like ngimumuntu o very close naye kubo bonke abantwana bakhe because of mina being sideline wakaningi bathi abamazi babami mina ngizazi ukuthi ungakuphi. Okay, so to usisi uthina uthi awushozi thina sikhule ETC5 and the last born kubo bonke abantwana baka mama laba bayi4 abantwana baka babam ubabam like the actual husband ka mama, but like unfortunately washona. Then kwase kuvela mina ke ivezandlebe bebangbiza ivezandlebe the whole time the family members because of mina angina family yibo babam, ifamily yibo babam, ifamily ya the husband stepfather son. So bebang sideline especially if kunemicimbi or what they will gossip about me ukuthi angimazi ubabami abazothi mama ngithathaphi yabona things like that uthi into engikhule nayo so ngijwayele futhi like ayisang offendi esingisakhula sesikhathi ngikhula being offender kakhulu. Okay, usesi all awushozi ukhuleni kwethu like umama ushiye thina sisodwa enahamba yosebenza bekasebenza umunye umlungu, so bekasebenza lapho. So besisikhulisa kahle thina. My elder sister, the firstborn, yasekithi uye bekasihlokomela bekenza umama like bekasitry by all means ukuthi sibe nokudla, sibe rebele emhlahasi, rebele uniform, rebele uza school, like those essential things nje bemama bekenza sho ukuthi siba nazo. Okay, sharp. Uthi umama beyanga na support structure cause yena nabasikibo bangazwana ngazi ukuthi kwabaniwani family, so athola ukuthi ka decide ukuba nama group ukuthi laba bayazwana laba bazwana. So umama wabakule badu ukuthi abazwana now, and on top of lokho ukuthi umama like financially ngithi besingekho stable besisikhulele emkhokhweni besinganamali. So like lobo nama ifamily umama kanganamali abanthathi serious, even nana abantwana abanthathi serious. Uthi okay, sharp, I was chosen umama like bekasebenza lo mlungu nomlungu lo like bekano hosta ama party, like let's say hosta a party eCape Town bahamba nomama ba hosta a party ePort Elizabeth bahamba nomama like umama each and every time makaya kula ma party la vele uzaphethe imali like uma 10,000 12,000 yabona uthi mama nga hosta maybe hosta like 4 times a year yabona, and then kule yonke le uza nama 10 or 15,000 kuyangokuthi bampa malini lapho. And then la khona umama macele khona vele wasakhela ke wakha indlu wakha all the time, but like makusala ama party la mama like bekaba official anga like bekaba ne stress kahle kusho like bengafuna ukuthi uzomstress because uqohumanya kulobona like bekaba bengabi friendly towards thina abantwana bakhe, and because ukhala and appreciate how some sacrifices engwenza ukuthi ngibe na everything nena nifiyana like ingila complain things like that. Like beka umuntu onjalo umama mbeka strict, bekulo mama lokuthi strict makho nendlini langa la shona everyone fanele ukuthi abe endlini, and then kwasha 7 everyone fanele ukuthi udlile, everyone fanele ukuthi ugezile, ama homework ayenziwe kuyalaliwa very ill. Beku umama bekumzalo njalo because encourage ukuthi isikolo si important because of if yena bengasebazali bakho bangamisa esikoleni ngabe beyangasebenzela khona. Umama beka i domestic worker kulomlungu sothi umlungu lo sothi James simbize ngeseni. Hey, so to bad mara. Okay, sithi umlungu James akunendaba. So to umlungu James. Okay. Maqala like ama festive so bekazo invite usiswama yomncedisa lapha, and then bazobhumva usiswama 500 for one day. Like umlungu kwaka mama uJames besimthanda because of esicabanga ukuthi nathi uyasithanda, because mawungaya lapha yana mawujika kuphi 100 rand or 200 rand or awushozi mme waka no holimme o like beka-slender and then beka-slender, beka-light in complexion, bekangasi very light but beka-light in complexion, a-slender, like bengeke uzumgesi i-age yakhe, bozobona the way ahamba ngakhona ukuthi ayi mahlaba sewumuntu omdala. Uqala usebenza ka-James angasi mdala uye because of the situation, because of like ubaba washona ke mama had to ukuthi manje atsamaye ayilobereka. Or awushozi ama-party vele bekacala bekuyi-party season lekamlungu. Umama uzohamba like maybe bayamtshela ukuthi next week siyahamba for 10 days or sihamba for 5 days or for a week, vele bahamba like isikhathi mabaya lapho, then uzoshiya sisodwa ke ahambe aye lapho emaphathini, then makabuya uhlale 10,000, ahambe futhi makabuya uzanabo 15,000, ahambe. There was a time la bathi sebaya khona eMauritius, uhamba vele bahamba for 2 weeks, umama waza 25,000 against Gara Plastic Shoprite, like as abantwana besijabula, like lo bantu besijabula. Mina by then I was very young, besijabula kakhulu. Uthi one time umama abuya eMauritius vele ubuya nemali, asithengela impahla za Christmas, asithengela everything that we needed. How waba nomcimbi vele kagokwami, so makabe akuba nomcimbi wakumele ukuthi vele sonke siye nokumama mbeka khona leso sikhathi. Wathi ayasameni nemcimbi kagogo, uthi saya kagogo, masifika kagogo, I don't know what really happened ukuze kufike 20 point ukuthi umama nomama mncane bagcine sebayacabana ngamagama. Umama mncane vele aphuma athi wena lento isifebe ihamba kalala nabelungu, uvele nomntwana omlungu asimazi ukuthi wakabani, wakafanderbani or wakafanderbani asimazi, basala ukuthi or wafil June asimazi, sala ukuthi wena ulala nabelungu. Uthi vele athuku umama bathuka nevele ukuthi isifebe ulala nabelungu in mina vele ngiproduct yomlungu, like ngiba surprised. Okay, yes ngimhlophe and I'm like mangibhekile uzothi ngathi ngipusman vele inwele zami like asecroft njengezabantu abamnyama, or like ingithe like kube shock umuhoni na hore hawu baba mumlungu kanjani, because mina ngimuntu omnyama, or like bengazibheki ngalelo lihlo ukuthi ngabe ngaba mlungu wabona. Uthi hawu asibuyela vele endeni vele umama vele ukwatile. Uthi ngimbuza ukuthi kanti mama umama mncane makathi wena ulanabelungu, like ubaba mlungu vele ubani ubabami ke, at least ngazi ubabami, because of ngazi ukuthi everyone ungibiza ivezandla, but I just want to know ukuthi ubabami uba. Uthi vele umama vele akwati, like akwati African too much, African vele akwati. Angitshela ukuthi if ever ngafuna ukulalela umthetho wangapha uzohamba la ngizokuqosha, uzohamba uhlangana umama mncane wakho abona ukuthi yena wazi kakhulu. Well, I was just ngibone lapho ukuthi this thing yakamama mncane like ehithe umama kabuhlungu. Hayi kube ukuthi another trip iyavela ke yakamlungu James. Hayi mama vele ahambe for a week, makabuya vele abuya ngithengele vele ama-sneaker. I apologize, you know what mntwana bengakamelanga ukuthi ngikhulume nawe like that, and I would deserve ukuthi mangicabana nosisi wami ngifake wena uyingane awazi next izinto usisi wami asikhuluma akazazi, uyabheda nje uyabheda. Uthi maka apologize kule process ukuthi apologize, ngimbuze ukuthi mama okay asikhulume ke, who's my father, at least ngazi ukuthi ubaba mobani, nami bangiyeli ukuthi bangibiza ivezandla, ngicela ukuthi ungitshele ubaba mobani. Or awushozi angitshela that they already mdala enough, ngizokutshela for now concentrate encwadini zakho, I will tell you. What awushozi ngene isikolo, umama asebenza kamlungu James, ngene isikolo ngiqede, umama manje seyaqala vele suyaqala vele yaqulagula, umama suyaqala yaqula, umama sevele suyaqala yaqula. How mama jikjik so phethe pneumonia, akasakhona ngemsebenzini. Uthiwa one time ngimkhaphe vele isibedlela, bafuna ukuthi vele ngene naye wardini, athi wena ungangeni sala ngaphandle, ngene lapha na vele bamnikeza amapilisi. So after the pilisi la mama kade yamuthathisa uthi eziningi umuntu ngibona ukuthi umuntu lona like lento imphethe like iserious ke holo asinto ekwayitsang like Uthi awushozi kulesikhathi agula ngasi, ilesikhathi mina sengiyasebenza, sengimdala vele sengiyasebenza. Uthi maka sesibedlela aphethe pneumonia. Uthi ngimbuze futhi ukuthi mama ngoba manje soyagula, I think ukuthi it's time ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi ubaba ngubani, kwenzakalani ukuthi uze nami, because mina ngiyazi ukuthi angisi abosisi asibasevikithi yabona. Uthi mama ngitshela ukuthi mangiphuma la nesibedlela ngizokutshela everything. What I was choosing hayi vele ngifisa ukuthi umama vele alulame, ngisibiyele vele ngisiphindele ngisibile emsebenzini. Hayi I was choosing umama vele agule aqale aphathe pneumonia aphole, kulunyana isikhathengana aphathe TB. Ngibone lapho ukuthi lo muntu lo uphethe HIV, like manje uphethe HIV and ubu full blown because of ondile inwele zakhe vele like iyafufureka. I can see ukuthi khona into omdlayo. Uthi vele ngimconfront ukuthi mama khuluma iqiniso, what's going on, uyagula uphethe ubulwele lobusona sona, uthi vele ngimlande direct ngafuna ukuthi ngiyajika because of mina naye bese close relationship udlula kusisi bami, yabona. Hayi umama vele asho ukuthi you know what mntwana nami I recently found out ukuthi nginalo gciwane bengingazi, and mina umuntu ukuthi bengayi vele nasemaklinik. What I was just umama since just khula azange ngabona ne-boyfriend, azange kuze umalume endlini or sithi umngane wakhe or azange ngimbuza ukuthi hawu mama wena yonke le minyaka le azange ulethe umuntu la ngendlini, azange ubone nomuntu wesilisa uthi umuntu wakho kuze njani ukuthi today so ucala ukuthi uyagula. Phela if ugula ungazi ngabe nami ngiyagula because of mina ngibe after ubaba makashona, yabona. So kuze kanjani ukuthi ungagula and then unganamuntu, yabona. Uthi vele akhale umama angangiphenduli, akhale uthi you know what ngitshela ukuthi you know what let me leave this issue because I can see ukuthi it's very sensitive kuye, uzothi maka right and then sizokhuluma. Okay sharp siyeke uthi hayi awushoze umuntu vele siqale vele like homework remoke simphuza amapilisi, simthengela multivitamin, ngimthengela ama-fruits, ngimrekele bomahewu kilobona mo imina do in zonke lezi zinto lezi ukuthi immune system yakhe ipick up akhona ukuphola. Hayi kube umuntu opholayo uthi one time masihleli ngizombakashela uthi angifike vele ngimbuza ukuthi enhleki mara mama ubaba mubani, yabona ubaba mubani, because I can see ukuthi impilo kuwo like yadekadeka. So let me find out ukuthi ifamily yami yakabe ubaba ingakuphi, ngikhona ukuthi bathola nami phela ngibe nalawo ngazi ukuthi if ishubile ngapha ngakwakho ngazi ukuthi ngibalekela kuphi, yabona. Uthi hayi umama athi no le ndaba iyeke, it's not yours for now, ngizokutshela mangiready for now, I'm not ready. Uthi ngimtshela ukuthi mama I'm over 20 years namanje usafuna ungitshela ukuthi ngisesemncane na, ungitshela mangina 40 or nangina 50 or mangina 30 na. Ngitshela lesikhathi ufuna ukungitshela ngazo, ngitshela ukuthi mangina 20 something, mangina 28 29 30 or 40 ila uzongitshela khona. Uthi vele ngimbona ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukhala, hayi vele niyeke indaba vele nisijikele nizile endlini. How isikhathi siya awushozi umuntu akasayiphela emsebenzini since agula akasayi emsebenzini. Ngimtshela ukuthi you know what mama asifonele uJames akuretrench or akurelease, yabona, so that ungakhona ukuhola i-UIF yakho because of angeke uhlalela ungatholi income, yabona. Vele umama athi hayi ungamfonela uJames, angifuni ukuthi azi ukuthi ngiyagula ngiphethwe yini. Uthi ngimtshela ukuthi no umali ukuthi azi uJames ukuthi bosesibhedlele akhona uthola amaphepha ukuthi bosesibhedlele aqeda lana qoto akhona ukurelease uthole ama-funds wakho, yabona, u-UIF. Uthi umama vele angafuni athi ngcono simiyeke uJames James ungasamfoneli and makakufonela unga-answer ama-calls. Or actually kemakalo gore beyang because lo muntu lona umuntu like osimaziyo osikhulise sikhulise uye kahle kahle isintweni eziningi besithembe yena. So today kanjani ukuthi lo muntu singasamfoneli? Uthi hayi no problem, isikhathi siye awushoza umama mvele one time vele agule ke manje agule pneumonia ebuye futhi agule umuntu agule aphume nezilonda vele aphume ilonda agule ongiluthi find out ukuthi the minute alulama uyeke vele i-treatment azangasayiphuza. Sesifind out sekasesibhedlela ke uthi lo muntu lo udefaultile. Hawu sambuza mama amaphilisi mina bengizibona ukuthi ngqondo that's the reason ngingakawaphuzanga. Hawu uthi unesi vele amtshela ukuthi mama lamaphilisi kumele ukuthi waphuze each and every day like uphilo bahawu wayeka amapilisi athi mina ngikhathelela amapilisi like angiqombisa isiso angiwafuni, yabona. What I was just that was the time la umama ngimbona ukuthi yabona ke manje akasese right. What I was just nthongone ngonaro wayisha yabuwa amanzi manje yaphuza yonke into nje beyibuya ngaphuza aqile uzacile ngathi umntwana omncane. What I was just ngisho ukuthi you know what the issue kababa angiyekele ukuthi umama ayina ethuneni. What I was just ngimbuze kahle ukuthi mama what's going on, ubaba mubani, yabona. Uthi umama ngitshela athi yakhumbula lamaphathi lawo bengiwahamba ngibuya ngiphethe imali eningi. Ngithi yebo. Athi mina uJames maka organize trip maybe sa eCape Town organize amadoda i4 or i3 or i5 kuyangokuthi banemali kangangani, mabafika lapha yana bonke lamadoda lawa balala nami. Ngithi mama uthini? Athi bonke lamadoda bebalala nami. Uthe ekuqaleni bayenza like ngeforced vele bangidlengula uJames was there bahleka babhema izinto zabo like amasigazi kuphuza utshwala bangidlengula bangibeke phansi bekunganandaba nama feelings wami. The following day uJames wangilanda wangicela ukuthi you know what Sophie bengicela ukuthi le ndaba iphelele between us naye imali. uthi mangibona ukuthi le mali le izonginceda endlini because of bekunganababa endlini ngavele ngathula zange ngivule icala. Uthi uJames masibuya wakhuluma nami wathi how about every time mangiphuma ngikufunele abantu abazolala nawo. It's not like uyazithengisa but ama-services owarenderela that we are going to render for my friends, and then le ndaba kuba indaba yethu sodwa. Ake ngamele ukuthi ubonge ngomunye umuntu ayaziwo. Each and every time ngizokutshela ukuthi uza abantu abangake, then I will give you money. What I was choosing, umama uthi wavumelana noJames kanjalo. Babahamba baya kubugqeberha kuphi yonke lama province bahamba. Umama kumi bekuMahosha for the whole night leso sikhathi. Bayamgibela bamenza zonke lezi zinto lezi abazenza belungu. Ngazazi ukuthi elungu balalana kanjalo. I'm sorry. Yo yasini ngikhulume nje yasini language. Niyabazi manje ukuthi bayenza njani mabadla isiphaqa. Uri bebangenza yonke lento le bebanganandaba, but mina bengisacrifice for ukuthi nina nibe nemali. La endlini sibe right, bengisacrifice ukuthi ngikhona ukunakhela umbuso. That's when wena ngakhulela wena ke. Lento le mayisaqala ngize ngakhulela wena waba khona wena. Yonke le minyaka besiyenza kanjalo, even now selumdala kanje besiyenza kanjalo. Bengihamba sihamba siye everywhere, mase Mauritius ukuza nginikeze boma 30,000 bekumadoda 6. They had to do whatever they wanted to do ngami. Mina besele ngijwayele, that's why mina bengingana nendoda, because bengasibona isidingo sokuthi ngibe nendoda, because bengasanawo ama feelings wamadoda. Bebayenza konke abakwenzayo, cida labaphuze baxebe bashaya izandla, kuquliwa amaqulo wabo arase. Mina ngihambe ngendlini ngifike ngigeze ngilale nalegcikwane ngilithethe lapho. Uthi mntwanami esingikhuluma nawe today, I don't know ukuthi ngigolise ubani, anginakuthi ngigolisa abantu abangaki kulabelungu laba, nokuthi ubaba khubani konke labelungu laba angazi. Sengibone ngesisu ngabe ngithi ngibuza uJames ukuthi ngiwenza njani. uJames wathi terminate the pregnancy, and mina bengangeke ngize ngivume ukuthi ngisuse wena mntwana emhlabeni. Ngabe sengiyakuthatha umamncane wakho makangithuka athi ngingoba bana ngama ngilala nabelungu, ngamchazela kudala mayisayenze ngalento le. So yena manje soyenza iweapon ukuthi akhona ukumthuka. I was choosing ngakashona ngalelo langa to think ukuthi umama mbeka domestic worker, they had to take advantage of her because of akangafundanga. Abelungu balale naye bamenza uMahosha without yena realizing ukuthi kahle uMahosha. Phela uJames makafuna labantu uyasho ukuthi ngizoletha umuntu osebenza ngeqansi, asho umama umuntu oqina every day. So I just wanted to share the story less ukuthi sometimes abomamethu badlula like uma situations anzima because of bafonela thina kusaselile. So like bengithi to every girl child or boy child umama kasebenza emakhishini, sometimes you need to check nje ukuthi umama wakho abam-abuse ngocansi njengowami umzali wami washona due to AIDS related illnesses. And I was saying last year, first week of December, because of umlungu wakhe owamtrust akamnikeza umsebenzi thinking ukuthi uzosupporta thina ingane zakhe, only to find out ukuthi uzomenza uMahosha. Like I can imagine, like I'm lost for words. Bamenza kanjani umuntu omdala bamenze so. Angali ukuthi usebenza uqala ukusebenza ngasemdala but baze bamenza azabe mdala. Kaso why? Sure. Bye guys.